Hello guys, welcome back to my channel VS Tech. Today we learn that how to use fill pattern. Okay, so let's get started. First of all, we should have a solid geometry for fill pattern. Okay, so which I have already created. As you can see, this is a rectangle and this is a circular shape. So let's create. Click on fill pattern, then select the face. Click here and select the face. Okay, we have a 4 type of layout, pattern layout. Okay, so you can use these layouts for the fill pattern. Okay, so I will choose this one and create seed cut. If you have a feature you want to pattern, you can select after clicking here. You can select that feature. Okay, so if you want to create seed cut like this, there are 4 shapes: circulars, rectangle, sorry, square and diamond and polygon. Okay, so which shape you want to pattern, you can choose from here. I'll choose circular. The die will be 10 mm. Okay, so the distance, this distance is from here and here. Okay, this is the loop spacing, we call it loop spacing. Okay, and this is distance between these. You can see I will choose 15 mm. Now it is 15 mm. Okay, this distance is 25 mm. Okay, and this is the margin from this edge. Okay, if I will put here 10 mm. Okay, you can change there. Okay, and this is the direction for a pattern. Okay, if you want to count these patterns, whole patterns, you can count from here. Click on this validate count. Okay, these are the 55 instance, and click on okay. Okay, just like you can use fill pattern on square. Okay, now we will use fill pattern on the circular shape. Okay, so creating fill pattern on circular shape, we have to create a sketch line. This is for the direction. Okay, now click on okay, and click again on fill pattern, select the face and select here for the direction. Okay, I'll choose circular. Okay, create seed cut. Now you can see for 25 mm, and this will be 15 mm. Okay, 20. Margin will be okay. Just like you can create the fill pattern on circular shape. Okay. You can create the fill pattern by target spacing and the instance per loop. Just like this. It is 6. 9, it's mean 9. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, just like you can create. If you want to use fill pattern by using feature, we will create a separate body for this. Okay, so now we'll create a feature which will be used for fill patterning. Okay, okay guys, then click again on fill pattern, select this face. Okay, direction already selected, so click here for the selected feature. Okay, this distance will be 30 mm. Okay, the margin is 15 mm. Okay, so then click on okay. Just like you can use the fill pattern. Okay, so thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please like and share with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.